Hello students, I am SP Basavaraj. This presentation for you is a limited demonstration regarding the experiment Zener Diode characteristics. This is simply to help you having a better preparation prior to your practical examination. You have already done this experiment in your regular class. Now I am providing here just a quick glance of the experimental unit and of basically the connections you make in it. This is the experimental unit to study the current voltage characteristics of a Zener diode, and this is the Zener diode. Like any other type of diode, it also has a P section and an N section. The side which has a black ring is the N side. Now take a look at the unit. Let us switch on the unit. On the left side, this is the voltmeter. Right side, this is a current meter which can measure current in both milliamperes and in microamperes. If you put the switch up, it's a microammeter, and down it's a milliammeter. Down on the chassis to the left, we have two knobs to vary the DC supply voltage. One is for main or coarse variation and the other one for small or fine variation. This is about the unit. Now let's see about the connections. We are studying here two types of characteristics. Number one, forward bias characteristics, and number two, reverse bias characteristics. Let's first make connections for the forward bias and know what variation we do with it for the current and voltage values to get the graph. Before that, turn both the knobs to the minimum position. There are only four connections to be made. Number one, connect the power supply to the main circuit. Now the upper line of circuit is positive and the lower line is negative. Number 2. Connect the positive terminal of the voltmeter to the positive circuit point here and the negative terminal of the voltmeter to the negative circuit point here. Number 3. Connect the positive terminal of the current meter to the positive circuit point here and its negative terminal to the negative point here on the circuit. The current meter is switched to the side marked MA. Number 4. Connect the Zener diode between these 2 points so that the side with the black ring is connected to the negative side, that is to the lower point in the circuit. That's all about the connections. After the connections, the setup looks like this. Now vary the voltage in steps of 0.1 volt from 0 volt. Up to 0.3 volts there won't be any current. Afterwards it starts rising. Note down V and I values. Stop at around 0.8 volts. After noting down a couple of readings, get them approved by the examiner. That's about forward characteristics. Next, the reverse bias characteristics. This is studied by just reversing the Zener diode connections. To do that, take out the Zener diode, turn it around lengthwise and reconnect it by connecting the black ring side to the positive point in the circuit and the other side to the negative point. Next, the current meter is switched towards microammeter side and all other connections remain same. Now vary the voltage in steps of 1 volt from 0 and note down V and I. The current remains 0 till the voltage reaches the Zener voltage value for the Zener diode. Let us say at around 12 volts, the current suddenly starts rising from 0. That means 12 volts is the Zener or breakdown voltage. Then by plotting the I versus V for both the cases in the graph, you get the characteristic curves for the Zener diode. That's all about the experiment. As preparation for the examination, you must practice drawing the circuit diagram and tabular columns. Also, plot the graph by taking the values from your practical record. Further, find out the new voltage, Zener voltage and forward resistance from the graph. That's about your preparation. Remember, carefully listen to the instructions given by the examiner at the start of the examination and follow the same. That's all, students. I hope this video served as a revision for you preceding your practical examination. Thanks for watching.